Hey there, y'all. Hi, it's Tammy BB with BB Artistry. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to cover foundation and the way that I apply it. Some days I use a brush, some days I use a blending sponge. It just kind of depends on the day, what I'm feeling like, and how much time I have. So today I'm going to demonstrate both. I'm going to be priming my face first. As you can see, there's nothing on my skin except just a little bit of moisturizer. So I'm going to be using a custom primer that I actually make from scratch. Pre-made is great. Made for the masses stuff is great. But once I discovered I could have all custom products on my face just the way I wanted them to be made with all of the ingredients and the additives that I wanted, that's all I wanted. I do this for myself and my clients. So if you're interested in something custom made for you, get a hold of me, let me know. I'd be happy to do that for you. So we're going to start off with a primer. Mine has some anti-aging additives in it. Also has some shimmer so that my skin will glow from underneath. Love it. I just rub it all in because I never had time. So I just go really quickly, rub it in. And as you can see, my face and my neck are two different colors because I love to tan and I do not tan my face. Most of us are several different colors from forehead to chest line because we're humans and humans have shadows and angles and dimensions on their face. So we all have chins. The sun doesn't shine up here, so this is usually more fair. This is usually a darker area because the sun hits us here. Sometimes the forehead is darker, but the face is generally a little bit lighter. So the goal of foundation is to make it one creamy color from top to bottom, right? Because we don't want anything looking like it's laying on our skin. We just want to have the appearance of beautiful, creamy skin. So that's what foundation does in theory. And finding the right foundation is crucial, right? It's a lifelong search. Made for the masses foundation, meaning store-bought stuff, mass-produced foundations and mineral powders are great. And there's many, many great, different, wonderful lines out there. And if you find something that you love that's hitting every single mark for you in every way on all levels, keep wearing that. But if not, call me. I will make you something custom that is made from scratch, and I can do it via mail order or in person. This is my custom blend, and as you can see, it is not the same color as my face, but that's okay because it's going to match my neck. So I'm going to start off with a beauty blender. This is a beauty blender that you can get from my online store. It's really, really awesome dual beauty blending sponge. I moistened it. So when I use a beauty blender, I moisten it, and here's my little custom. I give myself about 1 or 2 pumps. I'm just going to do half my face, so I probably got way more than I should have. But I just kind of dab it all in there. And I literally smoosh it right into my skin. I don't drag it because I want it to become as part of my skin. And I'm usually in a big, big hurry, like most of us are in the mornings, especially us women. We just love to put ourselves last, don't we? And put everybody first. I do my ears because I have short hair and my ears are not the same color as the rest of my body. And I want them to be so that it looks like I was born with this color. So I have a little bit left, actually quite a bit. So I'm just going to blend on down to this area. And I'm just doing half my face with the Beauty Blender so that you can see. And this generally takes me a little bit more time. It takes me more time than when I use a foundation brush because I literally am smashing and pressing, and I really want that yummy creamy coverage. I do like how it looks when I use the Beauty Blender. I also like the foundation brush. It just kind of depends. So this is where I'm at. Nice even coverage. Same color. I don't know if you could see that. But it does pretty darn good. The coverage level on this custom blend is just like amazing. So that is the Beauty Blender way. Now I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use a brush. What kind of brush do I want to use? Where is my Motives brush? Yeah, there it is. So, Motives Cosmetic. You can get this also on my online store, foundation brush. I'm going to give myself another little drop. There, large drop. And that may be too much as well. And I literally, you can see a little goes, oh my goodness, a freaking long way. And this is also buildable just like any other foundation. The main thing with foundation is getting the color match correct, and then also the formulation to make sure it has all the goodies in it that you want in your makeup blend, right? So sunscreen and moisturizer and, you know, all that good stuff. So I feather it on down, do my ears, and yeah. That is my liquid foundation blend. Did I miss the middle? Doing half and half, I always end up missing the middle. So there it is. Ta-da! So, and of course I have no other color on my face. This blend I really like. I am kind of a perfectionist freak, so I will be tweaking it constantly. But you can see from one side to the other, you know, sponge versus brush. I really like both, and I still have a ton. This was from using just the brush. A ton of product still left, and I only did one pump onto my hands. So brushes save you on product. I do like the Beauty Blender because I get a little more even coverage, but these are faster. So it just kind of depends on what you want to do. Now, if I wanted more coverage, obviously, I could still put more on. But because I made it from scratch, I decided how much coverage goes in this bottle before I ever bottle it. And I can do the same for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe for more. I'll be doing one every week. I'm an old dog learning new social media tricks. So please feel free to share, like, subscribe. I'll put the store link in the description below so you can order these wonderful products. If you want a custom blend, get a hold of me. I'd be happy to make you something fabulous that you will love. And we will not stop adjusting it until you do. Thanks. Have a beautiful day.